Alright, this was question 6 on the optional exam, and it's giving us this differential equation and asking us to solve for when this symbol is equal to 0, greater than 0, and less than 0. So, when this is equal to 0, we just have y double prime is equal to 0. That means that our characteristic equation is just m squared is equal to 0, which means that m equals 0, 0. So this will give us the fundamental solution set of e to the 0 and xe to the 0, making our solution y equals c1 plus c2x. When this is greater than 0, then that'll be a positive number, so it'll actually be this exact differential equation right here. So we will have y double prime plus that symbol times y is equal to 0. And now the characteristic equation will be m squared plus this symbol is equal to 0. This then means that m squared is equal to negative of that symbol, making it so that m is equal to the plus or minus square root of that symbol. So this will give us the fundamental solution set of cosine of this symbol and times x, and the sine of the square root of this symbol times x, which will give us the answer y is equal to c1 cosine square root of this symbol times x plus c2 times the sine of the square root of this symbol times x. And now, if this is negative, we'll have y double prime minus that symbol times y is equal to 0, which will give us the characteristic equation m squared minus the symbol is equal to 0, meaning m squared is equal to that symbol, which will then give us m is equal to plus or minus of this symbol, which will give us the fundamental solution set of e to the negative this symbol times x and e to the positive of that symbol times x. And this will give us the answer y is equal to c1 e raised to the negative of that symbol times x plus c2 times e to the positive of that symbol times x. I forgot to mention that there would be an I here, but that doesn't matter because it doesn't impact the answer.